Almost. You want me to try to lift up on this shaft? Get the bearing in?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I think we need to put this in now. The bottom shaft in.
It won't go yet.
There.
It's almost there.
Looks like it's in now.
No, it's not.
There we go.
All right.
Before we do anything, we need to see if we can make sure we put that on first.
I know. I'm just thinking when it's together, we got to make sure we got enough shim so it don't have a lot of play. But we got to put that piece on first. Okay, I'll punch it out and it needs to be cleaned. And we'll bolt it on dry and see how much play we have.
Are you gonna change the race?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how I'm gonna get it out.
So right now, my dad's going to weld a piece of metal like a washer to the input shaft race, and so we can use a bolt and all that to pull it out, because there's no good way to pull it unless we do that. So my dad's going there, making sure our generator is far enough away so we can weld a washer onto it. I'm not going to show it because it's going to be dark outside, because it's like 12:30 already at night, past midnight. And so far, I didn't show you guys us putting all the bearings and the gears and all that because I didn't want to board you. So we already got the bottom shaft in, and then this top shaft in, and we need the race that the bearings sits in, this part that bolts onto there. And then we need to finish putting all these parts on there, and there's gaskets underneath this, and then we can finish putting it back together. So I'm gonna go help my dad real quick. I'll be back in, I don't know how long, but I'll be back.
No way to.
Hold still. Whew.
This needs to be cut a little bit bigger.
Are these the 4 bolts?
They're over here somewhere. Yeah.
think it needs to go up the whole shaft. Needs to be rotated a little bit.
Here, you put it in. Can you turn that shaft, this one? Turn this. I'm not worried about this whole leg of it.
There.
Okay, put them in. Hurry. Hurry, before it dries.
Ain't gonna dry that fast.
Just get a ratchet. That's a how, yeah, no. Don't get carried away.
Okay.
What? Okay, so that's a bracket, huh?
Yeah, it has a bracket over there.
I sure like to stand this up. Where's the race?
Had those shims.
These are the two that came with it?
Yeah. On this transmission.
Yeah, where's the other ones?
Down by the well. In that van still.
We'll tighten it up with this and see.
Oh. We need the race before we put it on. Yes. Too small. You want to grease it or just set it on there?
Oh. Yeah,
There you go down.
yeah, should have greased it before. Oh well.
Yeah.
A little bit's better than nothing. Okay.
Should slide right in. Like that. Then that plate, the big hole goes up here.
See how it's tapered?
Yeah.
On where the flat side is.
Flip around. Like that. Hope I'm not cross-threading it. I don't know if it still has Loctite in the thread.
Just tried it by hand. It looks straight.
So they did have a whole bunch of Loctite. They overdid the Loctite on these. Cause I pulled it out and the whole thing had big chunks coming out of Loctite.
Well, maybe we should Loctite it.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, we probably ought to. Let's check the shims. Those bolts don't poke through and hit the gear.
I don't think so. No. This one's almost down. I figured we can just do 2 for now.
No, you do them all.
I want to just snug it up with the impact so I don't have to ratchet it so long.
Yeah, as long as it started.
This had barely any play.
I can't feel anything.
Up and down.
Oh, you can't go up and down. I think this is too tight. I can feel the play. Okay. I like it.
Heck yeah.
That's nice and snug. I can feel the.
Well, I'll put the bottom one on now, the plate, with the race.
Hang on. Wonder how much play you're supposed to have. Yeah, we'll leave it. Okay, so now we got to take them out and Loctite them though. But let's, you know where Loctite is?
I think I might have seen some up here.
Okay, and where's the plate for this?
The what?
Where's the plate for that?
There.
Okay, well, let's take these bolts out and Loctite them. Was there shims on it too? Yeah.
One little one. Where's the other bolt?
Those aren't it?
There's 3. I need 4. Pull them out one at a time.
That's fine.
What are you looking for?
Something to poke this out. It's right up.
There's this poker.
Got it. I want to Loctite the front ones too.
Worn out. Sideways. There. I said you're sideways. That one warm?
I don't know.
Kind of felt like the threads were a little warm from me pulling it out.
What are you doing?
It wasn't down all the way.
Okay. Tighten it by hand.
Nice and tight.
Okay, let's check this one.
Reset.
Yeah.
Ooh. There are 4 bolts on there. You get the spacer in?
The shim?
Yeah. Couldn't think of the name.
Okay.
Oh, that's way too hard to turn.
Well, I don't feel any up and down play. So let's take it out, the shim.
That's a very thin shim, little.
It's too much.
They're all good.
Put the shim back in. Let me see if I'm doing it right.
Turn it.
Well, yeah, you're gonna have some drag.
I thought it feels about the same.
Any shims out of that one? On the bottom?
I'm gonna have to pull these two pins, pull the gear off, and then take those 4 bolts out.
It just feels too tight. There's just no play at all. Just feels too tight.
Did we put that plate on backwards?
No,
Because I didn't know if it had like this.
no, it has a ring around it where it went down that way.
I didn't know if it had a shim in it.
Let that one go. That sink will go.
That goes on the back. Oh, right here. Unless you didn't get that other thing, Erase down.
Don't ever do this. Why wouldn't I have got it down?
I didn't know if you didn't.
I hit it pretty hard. I don't know, I'm a little nervous. Hold it off, I got an idea. I'll leave it.
Okay. Oops. Oh.